I'm Nicholas Blake, and this is my water purification project. Here is the dirty water that we use. I'm going to pour it into this 20-ounce bottle so each of the filtration methods get the same type of water. And at first we're going to use the charcoal method, which has charcoal pieces that are supposed to filter out all of the particulates in the water so that it's clean when it hits the bottom. And it didn't work very well, but it still did get some stuff at the top. Yeah, so it didn't do the best job at filtering. Here's the top, so as you can see it did get some of the and now the next one will be using coffee. Oh, this was the natural way because charcoal is a natural substance. And the next way will be a commercial way using coffee filters. And the stuff that I'm using to dirty the water is called peat moss. So this will be using the coffee filter. It is taking quite some time, but it does look like it's doing a much better job of filtering the water. I'm using 5 coffee filters for this, but the more you use, the more secure it will be, so it won't tip over like it did. And this would be, like I said, the commercial way to filter water. These are normally made to filter coffee, but seems like it works well both ways. that's all the water. And it looks to be doing a very good job of filtering it out, much better than the charcoal. The third way for filtering the water is using this cloth. This one did it really quickly. That's the 20 ounces. Okay, so here's a side-by-side comparison of all of them. So here's the water, the normal water. This is how it was filtered by the charcoal, so not very well. The coffee filter seemed to filter it pretty well, but it did take some time. And then the cloth, it does have a bit of a yellow tinge to it, but it did not take as long as the coffee filter did, so a combination of the two probably would be the best. So for the charcoal one, as you can see, some dirt did get stuck, but the water went through so fast that it didn't really get filtered out. And then the coffee filter, the water went through really slowly, but it came out to be the cleanest one. And then for the cloth, the water went through not as quick as the charcoal, but it faster than the coffee filter, and it's the meat like in between the charcoal and the coffee filter in terms of dirtiness.